Hey everybody, it's Bree, and today I'm going to talk to you about the services that I got done to my hair. So I got the roots darkened. I don't know if you can tell, I look more like bright. I think that's the term that we're trying to use. I look more bright with darker roots, and I think that's what's going on. Melanin popping. Melanin popping. Also, I got it interlocked. I'm going to show you what that looks like. My sister said that you can see my parts better with it with my having darker roots. So maybe that's a plus today, you know what I'm saying? Parts clean. Shout out to Niche for that. Yes. So here's my undercut. It's all amazing and stuff. Bam. Oh wait, can you even see it? Can you even see it? Yes. Don't I look like some otherworldly creature that has stepped into this realm to shine light upon the masses? Don't I? Alright, so my people also gave me some lock sprinkles up in this thing. For like they gave me the works. They're really long and all up on Le Bree's face, you know. Hey family, it's Bree, and today we are getting my hair done. I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done. Period. Get my roots darkened. Number one. So I'm like in between a 3 and a 4. We might get I'm in between a 4 and a 3 and a 4. Okay, so I'm gonna get a 3. I'm gonna get it darker so that I can look more stunning, more severe. And then also I already got my undercut sorta done. That's half of the process. Stay tuned for what color I'm gonna get, because the color gonna be fire. And yeah, Nisha's gonna do my hair. She's coming now. You meet her. What's up? Okay, so let me see how we gonna. All right, yes, stay tuned. Stay tuned. We'll be back. She's doing such a great job. I can feel it, and it feels like new money. So I know that everything is going well. When she finishes the back, I'll let you have a look at it. Hurry, baby. Peace, baby. Peace. No, you know what? It was Nisha who told me that, like, when you do bad things and then you feel bad for doing them, that means you have a conscience. So, like, that means you're actually a good person. If you was like, you know, I don't care, you, then, you know, it would be different. Yeah. What's up, everybody? It's Bree, and I'm back. I don't know where I'm going to put in all of these intros, but they're going somewhere, okay? Also, I'm going to get my hair cut in the back. Next time Rashauna's gonna do it, but this time we've got Angelina on the ones and twos. Hello, what's her name? Her name's Angelina. She's gonna do my haircut today. I got the blonde bombshell in the back. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Bam! Oh my goodness.
Wait,
how sexy. Right?
You've been showing.
Oh, am I? Yeah, I think so. Oh, here, you know, you can check.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's just gonna clean me up and give me a little design or whatever. So, like, stay tuned. Just say I can't be there. I feel the same. so while I was there, I thought it would be a good idea to just record everything and share that experience with you all, just in case you want to know what it feels like going to a shop to get your hair did. No, but let me say this though. It is something else to have friends who can do your hair. To give me a little hey, how. It's totally okay. When I find myself in time to go. See if I can do a good job. Yeah! There's not a single soul alive who's felt the pain. Did you know a coward dies 1,000 times? 1,000 times. So the giveaway rules are as follows. The first 3 people to guess the color that I'm gonna make my undercut will win a lock sprinkle starter kit prepared by yours truly, Le Brie. All you need to do to participate is like the video, comment what color you think I'm going to choose, and tag one person in your comment. That's it. That's all it's going to take to participate. I hope to see everyone down there trying to guess what color I get. Okay. Let me think. I like it up like this is pretty. It shakes. It's like noodles. Mm-hmm. I like it. I got noodles for a head. It does look like a mop a little bit. If somebody said I was a mop head.